Butter naan is a delicious and popular Indian flatbread that is often served with various curries or as a standalone dish. Here's a simple recipe to make butter naan at home. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, maida, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon active dry yeast, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup plain yogurt, curd, 1/4 cup milk, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, extra melted butter for brushing, chopped garlic or garlic powder, optional, for garlic naan. Instructions: activate the yeast. In a small bowl, mix the sugar and active dry yeast with 1/4 cup lukewarm water. Let it sit for about 5-10 minutes until it becomes frothy. Prepare the dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Add the activated yeast mixture, plain yogurt, and milk. Mix everything well to form a soft and smooth dough. Knead the dough. Transfer the dough to a clean, floured surface and knead it for about 5-7 minutes until it becomes elastic and non-sticky. You can also use a stand mixer with a dough hook attachment for kneading. First proofing. Place the dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rest in a warm place for 1-2 hours until the dough doubles in size. Preheat the skillet. Preheat a skillet or a non-stick tawa over medium-high heat while the dough is proofing. You can also use a cast iron pan. Divide the dough. Once the dough has doubled in size, punch it down to release the air. Divide the dough into equal-sized balls, usually 6-8 balls. Roll the naan. Take one ball and roll it into an oval or circular shape using a rolling pin. You can also stretch it with your hands if you prefer a slightly uneven shape. Add optional garlic topping. If you want to make garlic naan, you can sprinkle chopped garlic or garlic powder on top of the rolled naan and press it gently so that it sticks. Cook the naan. Place the rolled naan on the preheated skillet and cook it for about 1-2 minutes on one side until you see bubbles forming. Then, flip it over and cook the other side until you get some brown spots. Apply butter. Once the naan is cooked, remove it from the skillet and immediately brush it with melted butter. You can also sprinkle some chopped cilantro on top if you like. Repeat. Repeat the process with the remaining dough balls until you've made all the naans. Your homemade butter naan is ready to be served. Enjoy it with your favorite Indian curries or as a tasty accompaniment to various dishes.